When you receive your wireless dry contact sensor, the package will include a startup guide for you to reference. You will also find a small screwdriver used to loosen the terminals, which you will feed the dry contact wires into. If you are wiring the sensor into a powered circuit, please be sure to consult with an electrician. You should also work with an electrician if you are planning to monitor a generator with the sensor. To begin, start by mounting the wireless dry contact sensor onto the wall using the holes at the top and bottom end of the sensor. You can attach the sensor with screws or zip ties depending on where you want to mount the sensor. If you're installing the sensor onto a metal surface, you can secure it using the magnets on the back of the sensor. Once the sensor is mounted, open the door of the sensor to access the circuit board and dry contact terminals inside. Next, you can take the dry contact wires and feed them through the bottom of the sensor. Now, use the small screwdriver to loosen one of the dry contact terminals. The sensor includes two digital inputs, DIN1 and DIN2, allowing you to monitor two pieces of equipment in addition to power. Take the normally open or normally closed wire and feed it into one of the terminals. After it's inserted, tighten the terminal back up with the screwdriver. Next, take the common wire or ground wire and feed it into the COM or common terminal. Tighten the terminal with the screwdriver when finished. You can now power the sensor back on by toggling the switch to the left. To complete the install, close the sensor door tightly and you're all set. To learn how to set up your dry contact alarms, visit the BarnTools online help center and check out our YouTube channel for more BarnTalk videos.